The scatter graph shows information about the marks a group of students got in a science test and in a maths test. Jamie got a score of 34 in the science test, so using the scatter graph we want to find an estimate for Jamie's mark in the maths test. You can see we've got loads of samples here on the scatter graph, and we see there's a general trend. If they did better on the science test, they also did better on the maths test. We see the trend sort of going like this. Now to use this for an estimate, we need to create a line of best fit. So that's a straight line going through here, and we want to try and aim to get the same number of points on both sides of the line. I'm going to go for a line something like this. You see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. So that seems like quite a good line of best fit. Perfect. So now we need to use the scatter graph to find an estimate for Jamie's mark in the maths test. So Jamie got 34 in the science test. So if we find 34 in the science test, here we've got 35. So 34 is 1 less than that over here. And I'm going to go up from there until I hit my line of best fit. Then we go along from there to get an estimate for the mark in the maths test. And we see that goes along to a mark of 40. So our estimate is 40 in the maths test. For this question we get 1 mark for our line of best fit and another mark for our correct estimate. And just to point out, this question is quite subjective. Different people might have done the line of best fit slightly differently. They might have read off of here slightly differently. So in the mark scheme, you can get an answer anywhere between 35 and 42 and you get the mark. So that's why for an answer of 40, we've got the mark here.